This is the AC connection, the relay connection NC, NO, second relay connection NO and NC. This is the start switches. This unit is installing in the oil bottle making machine. Okay, I seen these two units are burned out. I think this unit is not ready. Okay, let's change the space. What in this unit is defected, that is or removing. This is the AC supply. Let's check these points whether it is short or not. Okay, it is not shorted. Now it is good. Here is the choke transformer is there and it is directed now, and the bridge rectification, this section, and after bridge rectification there is a capacitor here. We check the capacitor also, there is no short anything. Okay, let's put a supply for this unit. Okay, okay, I put this wire for the series. There is no display in this. Is go to the transformer, SM transformer. After that we getting here the voltage. something voltage getting here. I think the IC is problem. Okay, let's remove the short in the capacitor, charge in the capacitor. Okay, here is a diode. Okay, okay, the circuit is good. In this set, the power supply section is failure. Then I brought a new one and I put it for the machine. And another relay is also complaint. For that purpose, I taken the old relays and changed the power supply from one SMPS to the another. The relay is operated perfectly. This is the relay. It is ready in the condition. I given the supply. I given this supply to pin number 1 and 2. Here is showing all the details. The 1 and 2 is the coil. This is for AC supply. This is AC supply is denoted, and this is the one relay, and this is another relay, NO and NC. This is reset contacts. Okay, let's given the power supply to pin number 1 and 2. I brought this relay, new one. It is 2600. See, the timer is running. Okay, let's change the timer setting. This is the set button. Okay, here is the bulb is blinking, and I change the minutes. Okay, see, 9. Okay, see, I set it in 12 12 minutes 2 milliseconds. Okay, I set this button. Okay, the blink is stopped and I connect it to the 8 and 9. See, okay, the relay is ready for use. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.